After the shepherds visited the manger, they went out and spread the word about all they'd seen. And every person who heard the story was amazed. It was just another baby. It was the beginning of God's perfect plan. There, in the form of a tiny infant, was grace, sent from the God to live among us and to be the redemption of our sin.
The hope of the world were on the child, love that conquers every fear, hope to reach beyond despair, grace to redeem a broken heart. The manger held it all.
And they came with haste and found Mary and Joseph and the babe lying in a manger. And when they had seen it, they made known abroad the saying which was told them concerning this child.
And all they that heard it wondered at those things which were told them by the shepherds. But Mary kept all these things and pondered them in her heart.
And all the shepherds returned, glorifying and praising God for all the things that they had heard and seen, as it was told unto them. Luke chapter 2, verses 16 to 20.